Good morning. Today we are going to study operating system desktop management. But before we move on, let us know what is operating system. As we have studied earlier classes, just let's do a revision of operating system. Operating system is a set of program that is designed to run your computer. Without an operating system, you cannot work on your computer. Your computer system is just like a box that is of no use. So, today we will be studying operating system, that is Windows 7. Now, we all know that Windows 7 uses graphical user interface. What is graphical user interface? An interface where you have icons and different other options to run a program. You don't have to type the commands to run a program, certain programs. You only have to click on those commands to run a certain programs. Now we will study some of those features of Windows 7. First is attractive, interactive, and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes and the use of graphics that makes it very easy and interesting to interact with your computer. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Now, second is searching made easier. In Windows 7, you can quickly search any file or folder in your computer. There is a dedicated search uh, icon where you can click and search the desired file or any other program or folder in your computer. Next, we have flexible taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application oriented. Unlike previous version, what happens in previous versions, you cannot customize your taskbar, but in Windows 7 you can customize your taskbar according to your need. It is flexible. You can move the taskbar from the bottom to the left to the top or to the right. Anywhere you want, you can move the taskbar. Then you have Windows support multitasking. Here Windows 7 can effectively perform more than one task at a time. You can do more than one task at the same time. For example, you can type letters in MS Word and while enjoying music using the Windows Media Player. So if you want to type a letter on MS Word and at the same times you want to listen to a music, you can do that in Windows 7. Whereas in previous operating system, this thing was these things were not possible. You can only run a certain program at one time only. Then you have jump list. This is a new feature that is being added in Windows 7. It takes you straight to the document, pictures, songs, or website you have recently visited. For example, the jump list for Internet Explorer shows the recently opened websites. To open a jump list, you just have to right click on a program button on the Windows 7 taskbar. Then you have the taskbar. What is a taskbar? The transfer can be seen at the bottom of the screen